And again, here we is Gayatri with us. Uh, Gayatri is one of our another student who's going to be flying again. Let's go straight to Gayatri and know more about her. Hey, Gayatri.
Yes. Hello, sir. Thank you so much for having me. I'm Gayatri Narute and I'm 19 years old. I'm from Pune, born and brought up in Pune. And being like a doctor has always been my dream since fifth grade, I would say, because a lot of students, they made decisions in 10th or in 12th, but it has been my focus since fifth standard.
So from fifth standard,
Yeah.
can I ask you, did you already give injections to people before doing this?
No, I've not done that yet.
Just with those toys, maybe.
No, I haven't done that. I used to tell my parents I want to, become a doctor, and they used to tell me that you're the first person among three children. So I have two
Siblings.
siblings. So they told me that I'm the first one to, have a confirmed path, that I
Wow.
want to pursue.
I
So,
had a similar impression about you
yeah.
when I met you for the first time. When I spoke to you, I could feel that, at that young age, you already had a direction. You already know where you
Yeah.
were going. I mean, that's my first impression about you. I very, very vividly remember. So then, how were these 2 years? I always hear students say that need preparation, the difficulty. Just tell us something about that. Any influences that you had in those years, maybe.
Yeah, so the first step is obviously NEET. So we have to crack NEET in here in India. So I studied 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
I joined some coachings and everything. So I went there and I studied for 2 years. And then before the exam, I was really nervous. I still remember that day vividly. And during the exam, I was, solving the questions and everything. But I somewhere was not confident,
Mm-hmm.
because the exam and the number of students that appear during NEET. So
Yeah.
seeing all of them really, made me,
Scares you, maybe.
yeah, that
Yeah.
scared me a lot. So after that, the result came and it was like, not as good as I
Or
expected.
probably what you expected.
Yeah, I was, yeah, literally. So after that, I almost gave up on my MBBS dream
Mm-hmm.
because my parents were, they told me that you should study in India and you should score great marks and everything. But after the NEET score, I was like, yeah, I think I should give up because the fees were, you know,
Nobody wants to go through the same grind
yeah,
again
yeah,
of reappearing and going through the
yeah,
painful, never-ending academic
yes,
sessions. Those lectures which probably start
mm,
seem at some point of time, do they start seem like endless? Lecture khatam hi nahi ho raha hai.
yeah,
7 hours lectures, 8 hour lectures, 9 hours
yeah,
lectures.
exactly.
So I think to go through that grind again, it's not just a physical one, it's a
Yeah.
mental one too, isn't it?
Yes, taking a drop was never my option.
Mm-hmm.
So after like the result and everything, I was like focused. Then I don't want to pursue MBBS in India. So my parents, they suggested me a different path like nursing.
Uh-huh.
And then I was like constantly roaming around here in colleges, like getting information about nursing, the fees and everything. But some part of me was feeling that no, this is not for
Right.
me.
Nursing was
And
never your calling,
yeah,
right?
it was never my calling. And that there was one part of me in my heart that kept telling me that you should pursue MBBS. And then that's where my friend, she was my school friend,
Mm-hmm.
and then she contacted me. Then she told me that I was going abroad for MBBS. I was like,
Uh-huh.
oh my god, that is a huge surprise.
Right,
Then
right.
I
And that probably opened a new door
yes.
altogether, and you thought, अरे हाँ, ये भी हो सकता है.
Yes, and that sparked some sense of confidence or something.
And you thought, there was an opening.
Yeah,
I
this is some
can.
sign that
Yes, exactly.
there's
And
some
and and I
sign.
always feel that there is a there's always a little guiding angel somewhere around all of
Yeah.
us who probably I think, like in your friend's case, I think she became your guiding angel. So then how did you come to Atmiya, because
Mm,
so many agencies,
yes.
and how did you make that switch or that decision?
So I talked to her, and before that I already searched up, on online, so MBBS abroad in India. So there were a few websites.
Mm-hmm.
So I came across one website, and so I, like, fill up the form and everything. So they contacted me. I was like, yes, I'm interested.
Mm-hmm.
So then they didn't, on the first call, they didn't, gave me proper guidance
Uh-huh.
on what I have to do,
Mm.
the fees and everything. So they just told me that, yeah, just visit our office. And then I was like, yes, sure, but I have to know, my parents have to know, like, what.
You needed
Yeah,
clarity.
the clarity,
Yeah.
on the first call, that yes, okay, they are going to do this, and this is how we're going to do things.
Yeah, because I think the first thought that people have their minds, and sometimes maybe as a parent also, is like, बाहर पढ़ने जा रहा है, oh, the cost is
Yes,
so big.
so much, yeah.
But then, I think if you look at the current scenario today, what is offered to you is probably half or a
Half,
little
I
less than
think.
half than what you
Yeah.
could possibly pay in India.
Yeah, right. So after that, they kept constantly calling me, in the morning, in the night, in the afternoon. They didn't see any time. They kept constantly calling me, and that really, at some time, it
They
gets a
took more
little
time and
frustrated.
attention than a loved one
Yeah,
would probably take.
yeah, exactly. And at some point, it gets a little frustrated, I would say.
Yeah, true.
So I, gave up on that, consultancy. So,
Yeah.
and then that's when, the my friend came, and she introduced me that she was going to Georgia and everything. So
Yeah.
she has also consulted from Atmiya Education.
Wow.
So she really helped me, and she told me that yes, they will help you. So I thought of contacting Atmiya Education, and I did that, and I'm really, grateful that I did that. And yes, after that I really contacted Atmiya Education, and they really, really, helped me from the first step to till now.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, the support they have been giving me, it's been, more than, any consultancy would give
Wow.
anywhere.
So, I think now, since you're due to probably fly in the next 30 days, how has been that mental preparation? I
Yeah.
think that apart from packing your bags in, I think the mental preparation plays such an important game, because maybe as parents also there comes with some set of worries that, oh, my girl's gonna be alone. So how are we dealing with all that?
Yeah, so it's like, it's now 30 days since
Uh-huh.
we will fly. And yeah, there are a lot of emotions in me right now. I'm excited for the new journey.
Mm-hmm.
I'm nervous at the same time, and feeling all of the things that I'm, finally taking the step towards my dream career, dream opportunity. And I'm really happy that. And also my parents, they had their concerns, like, how am I going to go there alone and everything. But after that, I told them that Atmiya Education also has their own hostels.
Uh-huh.
And, I also watch a lot of videos on YouTube, about Atmiya hostels, and, the students, they are living there.
Uh-huh.
So I also showed those videos to my parents, and I told them that
Right.
this is the security that we get, girls' hostels. So, after watching those videos, they,
I think,
got.
yeah, as a parent, to know that a girl is going to be going
Yeah.
all alone, that is again another level
Level of.
of difficulty for a father, or sometimes a
Yeah.
mother, to know that, where is my girl going to be living. I think, yes, having that hostel gives that
Yes.
a separate girls hostel,
Yes.
which is, because sometimes when people say girls hostel also, it could sometimes be in the same campus or
Same
same
campus.
premises, and
Yeah.
there are some places where something like that happens. So I think that helps to placate your parents, isn't it?
Yeah, that's very true. So after I told them that we will get a separate girls' hostel, then they were, not that worried, and, they were now comfortable that Atmiya Education is helping us that much, with the mess, the Indian food. So I
Yes,
really
Indian
told them,
food. I think
yeah.
food is going to be so important, in a
Yes.
6-year long stay in a foreign
Yeah.
country where Indian food might not be available.
Yeah.
Um, so Lastly, if I were to say, how would you sum up this experience that you had, and what are your next aspirations?
I will sum it up with, all the challenges I've faced since my 12th. And like those challenges have really taught me a lot. And from them, I am here with Atmiya Education. And I'm really happy that I've met this whole team.
Mhm.
And yeah, they're really helping me, you know, to finally, build the dream I've been, dreaming since forever. And I'm really happy, and my parents are happy as well. They are now fully supporting me.
Wow.
And they were worried, but now they have, not worried at all.
Great. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
I think Gayatri, as we at Atma Education, we are proud that we've got, students like you. And we can assure you, we're going to be there with you all the way, not just right here today, but all through your 6 years.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here
Thank you
today.
so
It
much.
was lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.